In this video, I'll show you how to save your searches and sources, and then organize them using a citation manager. Many of the education databases that you will be using are hosted by EBSCO. This means that their user interfaces will be the same. Creating a MyEBSCO account makes it easy to save searches, organize results, and export multiple citations at once. To create a MyEBSCO account, simply click on the MyEBSCO link in the top right-hand corner of the database and select Create Account. Once you are signed in, you'll see your MyEBSCO dashboard. This is where your saved searches, items, and folders will be stored. To save a search, click the three dots in the top right-hand corner of the search results and choose Save Search. Give your search a descriptive name. Notice that in saving the search, you are also saving the search string, the number of results, the filters used, and the name of the database. To access your saved searches, go to the Saved tab underneath My Dashboard. If you'd like to group multiple searches on the same topic, click the three dots next to a saved search and select Add to Project. To save individual items to your dashboard, simply click on the bookmark icon next to each article's title. These items will appear in your EBSCO dashboard for quick access later. The EBSCO dashboard works well when your materials come from EBSCO-hosted databases, but your research will likely extend beyond EBSCO to places like Google Scholar, ProQuest, Scopus, or Web of Science. To save, organize, and cite sources from all of these platforms, it's best to use a citation manager. UA Libraries supports 4 major citation management tools: RefWorks, EndNote, Mendeley, and Zotero. Each has its own interface and features, but they all share the same purpose: helping you collect, organize, and cite your research. To compare these tools, check out the Citation Research Guide linked in the video description. In this demonstration, I'll be using Zotero. To get started with Zotero, visit zotero.org to create a free account. Then download both the Zotero desktop application and the Zotero connector for your web browser. Your account connects your online library to your desktop library, allowing you to sync and access your research anywhere. Here's my own Zotero library. You'll notice that I've created collections like curriculum mapping and instructional design to organize my research by topic. Before adding items, take a few minutes to plan your structure. Think about how you'll want to group your sources, possibly by course, assignment, or topic, and create your collections accordingly. Adding sources to a Zotero library is simple. Let's start by adding individual sources. Open the article or web page you want to save. Then click the Zotero connector in your browser's extension menu. Use the drop-down menu to select the collection where the item should be saved. If a PDF is available on the page, Zotero automatically saves it along with the full citation detail. To add multiple items at once, you can export your search results as an RIS file. Let's go back to one of our saved searches and export all of the items to Zotero. When completing the request, make sure to select the RIS format. Once downloaded, open Zotero. Click on File and Import. Select your RIS file from your computer. Zotero will import all the citations into a new collection by default. You can move items into existing collections by right-clicking and selecting Move to Collection, or simply rename the new collection if you'd like to keep it separate. Now that your sources are added, you can use Zotero to annotate and tag them. Double-click a citation to open the attached PDF. The annotation toolbar, located at the top of the document, lets you highlight text, add sticky notes, and write comments as you read. Your notes and highlights are saved automatically, and you can search your annotations for specific terms. Use tags to label articles by concept, such as methodology, population, or outcomes. You decide what tagging system makes sense for your project. When you are ready to start writing, use the Zotero Word plugin to insert in-text citations and generate reference lists. Good organization makes it easier to synthesize findings, track what you've read, and cite your sources accurately as your research develops. For further help using citation management tools, contact the library at ask.lib.ua.edu. Thanks for watching.